Hello dear students, especially those students who are writing NEET cannot afford to miss this video. Here I have collected the recent information, the new updated information on how your 2019 question paper design of biology will be. Biology, which is having 90 questions, 90 into 4, 360 marks weightage. So a student who wants to score a better or a higher ranking in NEET definitely need to have a particular knowledge about the percentage weightage of each lesson so that you can focus more and you can increase your score. Therefore your ranking will be on the top grades. Okay, now let's see what are all the lessons with the new updates that we are having. Plant physiology, human physiology and biological classification is known to come for the weightage of 12% each. So therefore, students who are preparing for NEET cannot afford to miss the concepts of plant physiology, the concepts of human physiology and the concepts of biological classification. So go through in detail all of the important points, especially from your NCERT textbook without fail. Your NCERT textbook is the best book for the preparation for your NEET examination as far as your biology subject is concerned. Don't miss out any important point from this particular textbook of both class 11 and class 12 biology. Just to support you can just look into some questions available from the different sources for you, but then don't ever compromise the reading from the textbook of your NCERT biology of class 11 and class 12. That forms the weightage for you. That forms a very important aspect for you. Now next, molecular basis of inheritance and molecular basis of inheritance from your class 12 biology and biomolecules from class 11 biology is very important. So focus on the structures, especially in the biomolecules. Focus on the structures, the components that it is having and the different names that is been given to that. So that forms a very important aspect of our study. Next, animal kingdom is known to appear to the tune of 7% weightage. Animal kingdom includes the study of the different phyla, go through how the organization is being done and what basis the classification is being done and the examples of each of the cases, especially from the chordates, very important. Okay, then reproduction unit from your class 12 biology is known to appear to the tune of 6.6%. You have got 4 lessons out in that reproduction unit, so go through all of them without missing any of the important points. Then ecosystem, again, which is the last unit of your class 12 biology, is having 4 important lessons and the weightage of it alone is known to be for 5.1%. Especially focus on all of those food pyramids. The pyramids that you have learnt, the food pyramids, the mortality, the natality rate, all of those things. So focus on all of them, very important. Next, human health and diseases from class 12 biology is coming to the tune of 4.3%. The remaining lessons that I have not mentioned here is ranging somewhere between 3.0% to 0.7%. In fact, cell biology is being tuned to be having around 1.0% and plant anatomy is known to appear for 0.7%. So don't waste your time for studying too much points from anatomy. Yes, you definitely need to glance. Maybe one question might be coming from the plant anatomy, but the remainings, as I have already discussed and told to you here, focus more. That helps you to score better and higher rankings. I wish you all the best for your NEET 2019 examination.